If I asked you to describe Facebook to your neighbor in 100 words or less, you probably wouldn't have much trouble with it. And the same with Twitter and LinkedIn, and I bet you could even describe Dentrix or Eaglesoft to a patient in 100 words or less. But when we come back, I want to make sure you can do the same thing for Google+. Stay tuned. Colin Receiver here. It's Monday, March 23rd, and for the next 4 days, I want to make sure that you're aware of Google+, and more importantly, why it matters. First, let's cover the basics. Google+ is a social network, and it's part of your Google account. It's kind of like Facebook in that you can import your contacts, then assign them to segments of your life. In Google+, they're called circles, and you can join public circles called communities about things that interest you, just like on Facebook. And like on Facebook, you have a feed. Google+ is part of Google, so when you search for something on Google, results from your circles are also going to show up in the results. And there's several other features such as Hangouts, which lets you instant message and video chat. Pretty neat. You can also post reviews on Google+, and as many dentists are finding out, your patients are posting reviews onto your Google+ pages. So why haven't you heard or been more engaged with Google+? It's just not that popular. It's just has always been playing catch up to the social networks that it seeks to replace, and it's never quite been able to unseat Facebook and the bigger networks. But that doesn't mean you can't use it to your advantage. Realize that Google still owns it, and they're in their attempt to unseat some of the bigger players, they are going to give priority ranking to their own properties first. For instance, you can get added search engine value for setting up a Google+ local page. Use the right keywords, and it can help you show up higher on the search engine results pages. These pages allow you to show photos, maps, information, reviews, everything about your practice. Posts you make in Google+ also appear in the search results, which increases your visibility and authority. There's many other ways Google+ can benefit your practice, and I want to tell you about that in more detail over the next 3 days. To find out more, I encourage you to grab a free copy of my latest book, Attract More Patients in the Next 6 Months than in the Last 6 Years. This book is the culmination of all of my marketing expertise, and it can be yours for just the cost of shipping. Check out moreandbetterpatients.com to grab one while supplies last. Until tomorrow, keep moving forward.